Hello everyone. I'm Cypria from the AI Services team, along with Vijaya and Chris. We are excited to take you on a journey of building an end-to-end AI-powered pipeline. In this presentation, we'll show you how we can leverage the social media trends to create an intelligent AI-driven dashboard for trending drinks, and how the restaurants can use these insights to design and launch their own menu items. Our goal of this project is to build an AI powered pipeline that captures trending drinks from social media and turn them into actionable insights. The system analyzes trends, displays them in a unified dashboard, and maps them to the menu items, helping restaurants make real time decisions at the point of sale. It also automates the creation of new menu items, ensuring consistent execution across all locations. Here is the notional architecture of our solution. Restaurants Manager can access a viral drinks leaderboard through an intuitive dashboard. This application is hosted on an OCI Kubernetes cluster and exposed via OCI load balancer. And container images are stored within OCIR, that is Oracle Container Registry. The dashboard is built using Fast API and showcases a top 10 trending non-alcoholic drinks across social media platforms, which includes X, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok over past 7 days. To power this, we are using XAI's 4.2 reasoning model within OCI Enterprise AI. It integrates directly with the X search tool, allowing us to retrieve the links from X API, analyzing the post, and identifying the viral drink trends in real time. For other platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, we leverage the web search tool to gather relevant data. Once a restaurant manager identifies the trending drinks, they can easily select it and push it to the menu. This is done by integrating with Simphony system using CNC APIs that is enabled through Oracle Integration Cloud. We have built a dashboard using the Fast API hosted on OCI Kubernetes engine that showcases the top 10 trending non-alcoholic drinks across social media platforms like X, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok over past 7 days. Let's walk you through what we capture here. For X, we use the search post endpoint, which allows us to find the content using keywords, hashtag, mention, and more. For other platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, we use a web search tool available within OCI Enterprise AI along with OCI Large Language Model. Here we are using XAI's Grok 4.2 reasoning model. This enables us to browse through the web and gather relevant trending content. We then aggregate all this data to generate a unified list of top 10 trending drinks. Now, let's look at how this connects to the real menus. You can paste the menu URL. For example, let's pull in the menu from DoorDash, say Dunkin', and see which trending drinks match their offerings. You can also try the same with Starbucks and compare the results. Here is a quick preview of the code base. We are using OCI Enterprise AI endpoint and leveraging the OCI Large Language Model, specifically the XAI's Grok 4.2 reasoning model to fetch and analyze the trending data. For X, we integrate directly with the X search tool, while the other social media platforms, we use the web search tool to gather relevant trends. Let's run the application. As it executes, you'll see the trends being logged and processed in the real time, and then passed to display the results on the dashboard.
Now that you have seen the live dashboard of viral drinks, let's take this a step further and get it added into your POS system. Let's start in the dashboard. This is where we are tracking the viral drinks in real time. You can immediately see which items are driving the most engagement, the views, the clicks, and the overall traction. In this case, a mango lemonade is clearly leading with 9.3 million views, 1.5 million likes, and thousands of reposts. So that's the one we want to act on. From here, I can take this drink and directly add it to the menu. I can change the title. Since it contains strawberry, I can change it to strawberry mango lemonade. Change the price, add the price, and main store. And then I like the description, so I'm going to keep it as is. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on add to menu button. As you can see, this has been added to my menu. Now let's take a look at what's happening behind the scenes. As soon as I clicked on add to menu button, there is an integration that gets triggered, and it goes through a multitude of orchestration, and it basically adds the menu item into our POS system. Let's take a little more deeper look at what's happening in this integration. This is our project within the integration cloud where we have created a connection to our Symphony system or our POS system, which is using a REST adapter, and we are adding all the credential details, including the security policy and the connection details that are required for the security policy. We are using OAuth custom 3-legged flow, and we are successfully connected to our POS system. Now let's take a deeper look at what is happening in the orchestration. In this orchestration, we are connecting with Symphony APIs, which are called as CNC APIs. We are connecting with 3 different APIs like menu item master, menu item definition, and menu item pricing. As you can see, each of these APIs are, instead of being called separately, we are calling them in a sequential way so that all of the flows can be coordinated in a sequence, and in one go, you can just call a single API. Details like name, category, price, location, all of these can be taken as an input, as you can see in the input payload, and can be added to the input of each of the APIs, and this whole orchestration can be coordinated in a one single integration call. And because this integration is configurable, it adapts to your specific needs of the POS setup without changing anything on the front end. While this looks very simple here, it's a very structured, automated workflow, making sure everything is created seamlessly, accurately, and securely. Integration Cloud also has this observability page where you can go ahead and look into each and every orchestration task in much more detail as to what the payload has been, what details has been sent to each API call. Like as you can see, this is the output and what is the input that this API call is getting. Everything. Let's say you come across an error. This is how you can track the error detail and understand what is happening, what made the integration fail, what was the payload given, and what was the connection exactly used, and easily correct it as easy as possible. So that's how Integration Cloud can be used as a robust tool to integrate between multiple systems and have a seamless flow of data between multiple systems.
So now we will show ordering the viral drink from the Simphony workstation. Okay, so now we'll have a look at the menu item we created. We go into the Backend configuration tool for Simphony, EMC, go into menu item maintenance. We see here that the strawberry mango lemonade created is in the viral social drinks category. All main and sub levels are active. Major and family group have been assigned as well. See here that it has a price. Go into the workstation and see how it looks over there. Go into the viral drinks category. We see we have strawberry mango lemonade. Go ahead and ring that in. Pay it out to cash. And so the order is placed and the drink is on its way to the customer. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.